My name is Nima Rafibakhsh. I am a senior computational geometry software engineer here at Fictiv. I came across this job posting from Fictiv that was basically describing me. And I fell in love, not only with the role, but also with company's mission. The CompGeo team here at Fictiv controls the entire geometry analysis, drawing analysis, automated DFM, lead time, pricing. And every time when I start working every day, I'm either working on a new algorithm or I am maintaining or improving the existing algorithms. That's because not only we want to release more new features for our customers, but we also want to make sure that the existing ones work perfectly every day. I have the chance of working and dealing with a lot of new challenging problems every day. This creative feeling I get out of it is very fulfilling. When these companies, when these engineers save time, it helps them to launch more products to the market. Dave always says, imagine we can build hardware with the speed of software. And that's what we are enabling for those customers. When I see this EV was created, when I see this satellite was launched, or this cool robot was created, that's what I call the greatest impact of my job. The most surprising thing about working at Fictiv is the culture. People are amazing here. I think we have done a fantastic job hiring fabulous people from day one.